What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name's Curtis, and today we're out here with the ZR2, a little day trip with a buddy of mine, and we're gonna hit some local trails around my house out here in Maricopa and see what we can get into. Let's get it. Definitely looks bigger than last time, I would have to say. All right, everybody, that is called the Maricopa Off-Road Trail. I don't know what to call it. Just a little trail I found up in Onyx and everything. I kind of want to do like a little tracking for it to kind of show you guys the Arizona back road adventure trail or something. I don't know, just a couple little fun obstacles I found out here in Maricopa, because I mean, it's just nice to know where the obstacles are, so if you want to have a little quick fun time, you can go hit those and everything like that. So right now we're airing up the tires, using my last fit air compressor. I kind of like the two-way better. Like the four-way is nice, but too many air hoses, so I've been using like just two, so two at the same time, and it's been doing pretty good. It's getting pretty hard out here to film videos for you guys. It's 110 degrees and it's hot. It's hot out here. But ZR2 is doing just great. I'm almost about to hit 1,000 miles and hit the sliders so many times on it already. But we're going out to deviate pretty soon to get the prototype bumpers and get something with suspension wise. Still not going to tell you guys, it's a secret. So that's going to be a fun time. I'm excited for that because I am still rubbing like crazy. And come check out the damage that has happened today on today's trail. All right, so we got a couple little pinstripes, you know. Couple of pinstripes, but silver paint kind of hides it pretty good. I did smash the front end a little bit, so I did hit the plastic a tad right there, but then mostly skid plate, little scratches on skid plate, but I'm not really too worried about it. You know, it's gonna get scratched up anyways, and just the life of off-roading, you know, it's just gonna happen. But bumpers coming soon, sliders. I'm thinking about doing it like a cold air intake, they're not really cold, but air intake and something with the exhaust, because MagnaFlow's not hooking me up this time, sadly. So I wish I could have got that MagnaFlow Overland Series exhaust. But I think we're gonna do something a little bit differently. If they don't want to hook it up, we're gonna figure it out. And it's gonna be a fun time. We got a lot of mods coming. Just I've been busy, and the SEMA build and everything's kind of got me in a little time frame issue. So I'm trying to get that smart cap on, but it's heavy and I have no one to help me. So hopefully my neighbor Dirt Remedy Off-Road will come out and help me throw the smart cap back on. And then we can start building up to go camping, because I'm ready to get the hell out of here, the Arizona desert, and go out to the mountains, because I'm trying to get away from this heat at least. Like, it's 10 o'clock and it's 110 degrees already, and it kind of sucks. So yeah, truck's been doing great. Need to get a lift because we're rubbing like crazy, and it's kind of sad. But let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Should I kind of track this trail for you guys out here in Arizona, the Maricopa hard off-road trail, or Maricopa obstacles or something like that? That'd be cool, because I like to just know where the obstacles are. I don't want to go on a bumpy ass road for an hour for nothing, you know what I mean? Kind of want to have some fun. But loving the locker, the rear locker. Didn't use the front today, just the rear. And the rear is just so nice. I do kind of like the G80, especially if I'm crawling something with no lockers and it just starts to spin. The G80 would already engage and I would have went up it, but I gotta like stop, push the button and go up. But it's not that big of an issue. But loving the ZR2. Hopefully I can wash all the pinstripes out, because I'm gonna try to keep this one nice like I said. But most of it probably it'll come out. But all right, guys, appreciate you guys watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and check out my merch, downtimelost.com. Help your boy. I would appreciate it. Love you guys so much. Peace out. Bye.